This video is about communication skills, which is paper 4 in part 1 if you're writing the ATSWA examinations. It gives a brief overview of the course title Communication Skills, which aims to examine your competence in the use of those aspects of the English language, both oral and written, that will ensure effective business communication in an organization. On completion of the paper, you will be able to understand the structure and the uses of the communication system, models, and networks within and outside the organization. Read and understand texts on technical concepts relating to the accounting profession. Answer questions on comprehension and summary passages to test your understanding of a given piece of information. Know grammatical rules and mechanics that relate to good use of language, such as word classes, phrases, clauses, sentences, punctuation marks, spellings, figurative expressions, etc. Know the different types of essays, correspondence, speeches, and how to write them. And apply language skills to the communicative activities in an organization. If you are writing the exam, this paper is a 3-hour paper divided into 3 sections. Section A awarding you 40 marks and shall consist of 40 compulsory questions made up of the 20 multiple choice and 20 short answer questions covering the entire syllabus. Section B awarding you 30 marks. The only question to this section shall be compulsory and will be based on either comprehension or summary. And Section C awarding you 30 marks. This shall consist of 4 questions out of which you are expected to answer any 2 at 15 marks each. This is the Ask the Accountant YouTube channel, and if you subscribe, I will be able to provide you with learning videos that will help you prepare for your communication skills paper 4 in the part 1 ATSWA examinations. I'll see you again in the next video.